wow. So this looks horrible. But my computer broke, so the only computer I have access to is my mom's 5-year-old laptop. So, yeah. I wouldn't even be making this video, but I recently watched Etho's lab, Etho and Generic B, where they made an automated bread machine. But that was before you could do, you could put bone meal in dispensers and have the dispensers basically bone meal your bread. So what I made is this pretty bone meal machine. What you do is you go through here, take your seeds. You should at least have 2, because if you only have 1, then the wheat might go in your first slot or whatever, so it might not work. But let's try this out. You can't stand on the pressure plate, you have to stand on the glowstone. You just hold your right button and get as much wheat as you want. And yeah, it takes more than 1 bone meal to grow bread. It takes between 2 and 3, so I set it up to have it do 3 bone meal before it the piston pushes it up. I could have done a clock, but I didn't do that. It keeps on going, which is weird. But to stop that, you just have to walk backwards onto the pressure plate, and it stops. Then you put your stuff in the chest. And I'm playing with the one hand right now, since I'm taking this video with my phone. Yay me. So, that's the automated bread machine. Let me show you, how I built it. Okay, so game mode. Wait, no. I think it is 1. I always get the numbers confused. Is that? Yes, that is creative. Awesome. So that's that. I might as well set it to time today. Time set 0. There you go. So what I basically did was copy the automated bread machine that Generic B had with the bud system, and I tried it without the T flip-flop and it worked, but for some reason it didn't stop. It kept on going. And I didn't know how to fix that. Maybe, I wasn't understanding how to make it stop, but it kept on going. The piston kept on going, like it was a clock or something. So, I added the T flip-flop to, see if that would help. And, it did, but it didn't. I thought it worked, but it ended up not working. And then it also inverted it somehow, so instead of having the redstone right here, where it's supposed to be, I had to move it to that side, so I had to do that to make it work from that side instead of that side. How this works is there's a bud switch, and then like I said, you could probably do a clock, but I didn't want to look that up, so what I did was I had this dispenser go off, and then I had this one go off first. It's this line of redstone. Then I had that one go off, and then I have this one right here go off. So you can see a little bit of redstone, but it's not too noticeable. And then after this goes off, you go over here and have that, and then this piston goes off to push up the dirt and get your wheat and stuff. So that's how it works, but like I said, you can't, it doesn't stop by itself. So what I added was this little thing here. So when you step on the pressure plate, it no, I can't do that. Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm failing hardcore right here. I know how to do this. Okay. Shift, right click. No? Really? Okay. Let's delete this redstone and do that. There we go. So, when you step on that pressure plate, it does that. And that somehow blocks, it somehow stops the, it somehow stops it. So, yeah, I have no idea how it does that, but it works. So, if you want an automated bread machine, for the latest update, which is 5.1.2, I'm pretty sure, then, like with the dispensers doing bone meal and stuff, well, here it is. And that's pretty much all there is, I think. So, yeah. I'll talk to you guys later.